Hi everyone, this is Cory Branham. Just wanted to provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to request your Ohio absentee ballot for the 2020 primary season. So here we go. There are several websites that you can punch into your browser. You can do myohiovote.com, you can do voteohio.gov, or if you know this website, the Ohio SOS.gov/elections/voters/ it will all take you to this webpage. This is where we need to be. It is run by the Secretary of State's office, and right on their page they have a big alert. This is where you need to be to get your vote by mail absentee ballot for the 2020 primary. You'll scroll down a little bit more and you'll see this option here, print your vote by mail ballot request. So you'll do that. It gives you simple instructions, but it's a simple user input form. Put in your name. It says middle name or initial. I use my initial. If you use your middle name or initial, that's fine. If you are a senior, a junior, a second, a third, if you do have this suffix to your name and it shows up on your driver's license, on your bills, you need to make sure that you are using that. That's your legal name. Then here you need to put in your actual birth date. No, that is not my birth date, but you need to have your correct one in there. The address to which you are registered to vote. If you have a P.O. box or a business mail, or say you travel for work, you are a travel nurse or you're a firefighter, whatever the case may be, you're in the military being the obvious one. In those cases, you are registered to vote in Ohio because of your Ohio residency, even if you get your mail in another state or in your P.O. box or at your business. What this wants is your Ohio address. Why are you allowed to vote in Ohio? So you'll type in your Ohio address, and then it's a simple drop down. You'll select either Ashland, Medina, Richland, or Holmes counties. Simple alphabetical drop down. Let's just go ahead and go with Richland. If you are in a situation where you don't receive your mail at the same address that you are registered to vote from, just click this box and let them know where they need to send it. If they need to send it to work, they will do that and you can receive it there. But most people don't use that unless you're in the military or travel for work. But if you do, it's super easy. You'll just add this. Most people don't, so I'll leave it off for the sake of this tutorial. It'll make you identify yourself. Ohio does have what I think is adequate voter identification rules in place. If you click here, it'll ask you to put in your driver's license number. A lot of people have their license in their pocket. Some people don't. The easiest one, I think, is the last four of your social. Most of us, by the time we're 18 and ready to vote, we know our last four. So I would just select that one, type in your last four, and you'll be good to go. And then it wants to know, what are you voting for? What are you requesting a ballot for? This is the one, the March 17th primary election, and they even put in here, due to the coronavirus, it has been extended. That's the one we're wishing to vote for. So here, shortly underneath that, it'll say, type in the date for the following election. Put in the 03/17/2020 date. I have personally talked to the Board of Elections, and they will accept the 04/28/2020 date, or they will also accept the 06/02/2020 date, but they prefer the 03/17/2020 date for consistencies, for filing purposes, because everyone who has already voted in person or absentee has put this in there, so for consistency, they have asked for that. Once you got the date in, then you go down. It's not a general election. It's not a special election. Click on primary election. If you want to see me, you have to click option A. And then if you want to vote for me, you have to click Republican Party. People have asked me, Cory, I'm an independent. I'm a Democrat, but I'm coming over to the Republican Party because I want to vote for you. And I'm honored by that. But to see me, this is what you have to do. As long as you are a registered voter, you can be Libertarian, Independent, Democrat, Maybe you voted that way over the years, but if you're still a registered voter, you can request the primary ballot with me on it. If you put a phone number in, it has to be this exact format, parentheses, first three, space, the next three, dash, the final four, and you have to have an email address. You'll click on the printer friendly PDF. It'll take you to this form right here. You'll make sure it's good. If it's good, you'll just sign and date it. If the date's already in there, that's fine too. Print it, sign it, make sure it's dated, get it in an envelope to your county board of elections. Just Google Richland County Board of Elections or Ashland, Medina, Holmes County. Print this out, put it in an envelope, get it in the mail to them, and then in a week or so, you will get your hard copy ballot, fill it out, vote Cory Branham for Ohio Senate, mail it back, and it needs to be postmarked. The envelope needs to be postmarked by April 27th. I encourage just fill it out the day you get it in the mail, send it back that same day so you know it's in by the 27th and you know it can be counted. So this is how you vote. I know it's unconventional for some, but our founding fathers fought and died and put their lives on the line for us to be able to have this style of representation. Please exercise this. It will take you 5 to 10 minutes of inputs, and then you will have voted, and then hopefully next year we'll all be back to normal. If you have questions, please let me know. I'd love to help you and be willing to share this with others who need this information. Thank you guys very much. God bless. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.